Understanding stick welding, an essential skill. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of welding, specifically focusing on stick welding. This is a fundamental technique in the field of metal work, and it's essential for anyone interested in this area. Stick welding has various applications and some interesting characteristics that we'll explore together. Stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, is a process that uses an electrode coated in flux to lay the weld. An electric current forms an electric arc between the electrode and the metals to be joined, which heats and melts the metals, creating the weld. It's a versatile and simple method, widely used in construction, repair work, and industrial fabrication. In stick welding, the primary equipment includes a welding machine, electrodes or welding rods, and personal protective equipment like a helmet, gloves, and safety glasses. The welding machine provides the electric current, while the electrode acts as the filler metal. It's crucial to choose the right electrode for the specific job, as they come in various sizes and types. Advantages of stick welding include its simplicity, affordability, and the ability to use it in outdoor conditions and on rusty or dirty metals. However, it also has disadvantages, such as producing a lot of smoke and requiring more skill to produce clean welds. Plus, it's generally slower compared to other welding methods like MIG or TIG welding. Safety is paramount in welding. Stick welding generates heat, sparks, and ultraviolet and infrared rays, so it's essential to wear appropriate protective gear. This includes a welding helmet with a proper shade, fire-resistant clothing, gloves, and boots. Always weld in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhalation of harmful fumes. Stick welding is commonly used in construction projects, heavy equipment repairs, and pipeline work. It's preferred in situations where precision is less critical and speed is not the main concern. Its capability to work with thicker materials makes it a go-to choice for many structural applications. I hope this video has been informative and has shed light on the important aspects of stick welding. Remember, mastering stick welding takes practice and dedication. Stay safe and keep practicing to develop your welding skills. See you in the next video.